Hello, everyone. Today, Facebook Marketing Software Channel is back to share with everyone about a way helps you reply to comments automatically. For example, when you log in, you want to reply to a notification on a fan page post or an announcement somewhere on your Facebook. If you want to reply to the notification, click on the notification post, and I will update it with the information I need. Or, if the next announcement is another announcement, I will also reply to the announcement. Do the same thing with reply notifications for each post. But let's say you want to reply to notifications on 100 posts or 200 posts. Or you have 5 announcements, and each announcement replies to 20 posts. It will take a lot of time. Today, I will use a software program. The first thing I need to select the information. Please click on the announcement post to respond to this information. Then, I will respond with the information I need. Let's choose some information. Here are 8 facts. This is the information that I created in the software. If you want to select other information, I'm going to click on this information. Then I'll click on this new information. Information can be used to respond to announcements. Then I'll click on this information. I'm going to click on this information. Then I'll click on this information. You can see the information you have ready here, or you can use existing information to click on this information. Then I'll click on this new information. Today, I will choose some information to challenge. Let me make a video for you to see. I wouldn't choose all 1,000 for these 100 pieces of information, but I selected about 15 of these pieces of information. Once selected, click Start Operation. Let's watch together.